This tutorial will teach you how to modify the image alt attribute using WebEasy Professional 9. The alt attribute is used to display alternate text when an image can't be loaded in the browser, and it will also display the same text when our mouse hovers over the image, which is referred to as a tooltip. Please note that the alt text will only be visible in the tooltip if the HTML title property is not set. Once we set the title property, it will become the default tooltip text. Specifying alt text will also help our search engine results, as long as we use them correctly. To clarify, alt text should accurately describe the image it's referring to without being excessively long, and should not include unrelated keywords. Adding lots of unrelated keywords is known as keyword stuffing, and it can actually hurt your search engine results. Now that we know what should or shouldn't be included in the alt attribute, let's open WebEasy and select an image. Next, we will open the Inspector tool, click on the Properties tab, and double-click on the Value column next to HTML alt. Enter your text, and then press the Enter key to save the changes. We can also access the HTML alt attribute by simply double-clicking on the image itself. Once we finish modifying the alt text, we can preview the page. Now let's hover over the image and we should see a tooltip that displays the text we had entered earlier. This means that the alt text has been added successfully.